Excellent.
Okay, this is a 5-minute slot, so I'll warn you when you have 1 minute left.
Thanks.
Okay.
So, hello everybody. My name is César Briceño, and I'm the telescope scientist at the SOAR 4 meter telescope, and I'm also staff at the NSF Optical and Infrared Research Astronomy Laboratory down here in Chile. Thank you to the organizers for this opportunity to give this very quick overview of the Astronomical Event Observatory Network. So, what is AEON? AEON is basically an ecosystem of programmatically accessible, Q-enabled facilities, observatories, optimized for time domain and multi-messenger astronomy follow-up. However, of course, we really want to also enable all kinds of astronomical observations. AEON was created by Las Cumbres Observatories and what is now NORA Lab, uh, including the SOAR, the Gemini, and Blanco telescopes. And this is the existing state basically of the network, but we are expecting to add more partners, possibly some via LSSTC in-kind contributions will come up hopefully soon. Right now, as I said, the facilities are SOAR, Blanco, SOAR and Gemini and Blanco coming up, and of course, Las Cumbres Observatory Network. Um, SOAR Blanco and Gemini has the advantage of being co-located with the Rubin Observatory and have an array of instruments that are always available. Features of the system are basically we provide dynamic queue scheduling so people can submit targets at any time. And they
Sorry,
do
Cesar,
so.
we can only see your first slide at the minute.
Oh,
Is it possible to
really?
move on?
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Sorry.
That's super.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. I was confused. Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay. So the features are that we do dynamic queue scheduling and also programmatic. The telescopes are programmatically accessible via web portals, APIs, or target observation managers. And we also want to provide value added data. For example, right now at SOAR, we can provide real-time browser visualization of reduced wavelength calibrated spectra for every target just a few seconds after the raw data is written down to disk. The system is basically conceived as the other end to where the brokers are. So we have the survey CTF, LSST feeding brokers, which in turn communicate with target observation managers, which then would feed the follow-up observation request to the network of telescopes, SOAR, Las Cumbres, other NORA Lab facilities, Gemini, XO, and then people get back the reduced and raw and reduced data, either via the TOMS or some other more direct way. An example is, for example, the AEON workflow on SOAR, and this is basically the user connecting to the system via either the web portal of the Cumbres Observatory or a target observation manager. They submit the request. SOAR works using the Las Cumbres robotic scheduler, which creates a schedule based on all the requests. That schedule is updated in every 10, 15 minutes. We download on the SOAR side. We have software that downloads the schedule, parses all the observation packages for each target to the spectrograph and telescope control system, which basically operates sort of very automatically, almost robotically, just supervised by an operator. And then people get their data back via the reduced, either the same portal or some programmatic access. So basically, that's how the system works. People can get more information. We have web pages at both Las Cumbres Observatory. The example here is the SOAR AEON web page. We have a small, not kind of cool video that people can watch that sort of describes how the whole system works. And hopefully in a future workshop, I can, go into more details if people are interested. Thank you.
Thanks, Cesar. We can do one question if there has been one.
No questions yet.
Okay. I'll keep an eye on the Zoom and the Slack and, oh, I think one.
Oh, yes, there's one. Is there a possibility to ask for target of opportunity observations?
Yes, definitely.
And how should people do that?
Yeah, that is done. We're really now enabling the system through the NORLab general call for proposals. And so what people do is they submit their proposals, and if it's target opportunity mode, they just during the normal call for proposals. That's the way it's being handled right now. Doesn't mean that it's not going to evolve to a more dynamic system later.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, Cesar. A round of applause for Cesar and all the speakers in this session in the Zoom.
Thanks.
Slack. Yeah, thanks.